What's up everybody? This was my last video of Seattle. I have such a great time, as you can see in the footage. The country, the city, and just the whole America has such a nice things and such beautiful places to visit. And I was for 2.5 weeks, but that's not for such a long time because there's so much to see. So I hope you like these videos that I make on my channel. If you don't see one of the videos yet, go over to my channel and watch them if you want. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, that would make you very happy. And like this video. And then I see you in the next video. Maybe in a couple of weeks, I don't know. But we will see. Thank you and I see you later.